Hello, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So this week I am going to analyze gold forecast for your next week gold trading. So last week we made massive profit from the gold trading. You can join with Telegram, link is below. So I am in a weekly chart gold. You can see last week red candle sellers are in active sell the gold in last week. So red candle is their weekly candle, you can see. So main reason is the safe haven demand drop with the US China trade deal with the 90 days. That's the trade war uncertainty, that's the reduce, that's so affected to gold drop. So gold is the safe haven asset. That's the FX Street website mentioned 4% drop gold price last week. So main reason is the trade war uncertainty drop to the gold price next or so last week. So trade deal with the US China and reduced taxes in both countries. So that's the effect to gold price drop last week. So let's see the what happened in next week. So I am going to the daily chart. So this is the M pattern. So last week I have mentioned double top pattern is there with the daily chart technically picture. So imported level is the this level, this is the 3150 level. So that's the rep side resistance is there. So resistance becoming support in right side, you can see simple technical theory. So price again push from this support level to 3150 level. So that's the technical important long level with the daily chart. So last week, so inflation report, US CPI data report is there. So last week release US inflation report. So this inflation report is the more important for US dollar regarding gold trading. So last week inflation report 2.4% is the and drop to the 2.3% inflation report. So inflation dropped to the 2.3% and monthly inflation also 0.22%. So that's the CPI yearly report was in the last week. So that's the Forex factory website. I'm going to the Forex factory website. So there's the 2.4% is the inflation report and drop to the 2.3%. So Fed's inflation target is the 2%. So now 4.5 is the current rate in American central banks. That's the Fed Watch Tool website source. That's the June FOMC meeting. This is the June FOMC meeting, 91%, almost 100% price into the rate pause in June meeting. So Fed paused the rate in June FOMC meeting. That will not affect to dollar demand because of already market price into the rate pause in June FOMC meeting. So I'm hoping gold price some retracement to the upside next week, and again you have a sell opportunity in next week. So let's see the what is the technically important level if you are trading gold next week. So what are the important technically levels, technically important zone? So I'm going to the 4-hour chart. So this is the 4-hour chart. So 4-hour chart I am seeing here interesting trend line below trend line. So this trend line is the I am seeing is the important with the 4-hour chart technically this trend line. So you can see price last week again push from the upside from this trend line and drop to the this trend line and again push from this trend line. So this trend line imported with the 4-hour chart technically set up, and I am seeing here two important levels. This you can see price push last week push from the upside from this level. So last Thursday $100 price from push to the upside from this level. So and I am seeing here two important levels. So this level, this is the level 260-65 zone. That's the important zone. So price not going to upside from this level. So again this level important. So price next week break this level and retest like this. Technically this is the bullish goal and you have a buy opportunity. So remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So global uncertainty continuing, gold can be demand. That's the one side. That's the target 3,300. And buys again not dropped, not break this level and continue to the downside. That's your sell opportunity in next week. Those this level also important, 3,210 level. This level you can see price several times support from this level. This is the support and this support can be become in resistance in here. 3,210 is the important zone. So price can be resistance in here and can be dropped to the below side like this, or this is the important two important zone next week. So target is the 3,150 and then 3,000 is the next target. So safe haven demand drop that can be effect to the gold drop. So because of say gold is the safe haven assets that you remember if you are trading gold. That's the 3,000 next week target with the sell opportunity gold. So for our chart technically picture, that's the two important zone, 3,210 and 3,260 is the important zone with your gold trading next week. So this is the 1 hour chart. So 1 hour chart technically picture also I am seeing this level resistance level is there. You can see with the 1 hour chart important resistance level is the 3,200. This level is the, you can see price several times rejected from this level and this level is the important with the technically chart. So remember, gold is the safe haven asset. So I'm always telling this level is the also important 3,210. Left side rest support can be becoming resistance in right side. That's the just technically. So fundamentally next week manufacturing PMI there, you should touch with the economic data also. If you are trading gold, so US dollar is the important economic events. Manufacturing PMI is there that you should touch with. So that's the fundamental and technically combines and accurate gold trading. You can join with my telegram, link is there. So thank you very much.